Today's video, I will walk you through how to delete history in ElevenLabs. To begin, make sure you're logged into your ElevenLabs account. Once you're inside your account, look toward the right-hand side of the screen, where you'll find a panel containing different settings and options. Within that panel, locate the History tab and click on it. This section contains the audio you've previously generated in ElevenLabs, allowing you to review your earlier projects whenever you need them. After opening the History section, move to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll find a button labeled Manage History. Click on this button to access the management options for your saved history. Once you enter the Manage History section, you'll see a list of all the audio files you've previously generated. This list lets you review your saved recordings before deciding which ones you want to remove. If you only want to delete certain recordings, go through the list and locate the files you no longer need. Next to each audio file, you'll find a checkbox. Simply click the checkbox beside each recording you want to remove. This gives you complete control over which history items are deleted, while allowing you to leave any recordings you still want to keep. If your goal is to remove everything instead of selecting files one by one, there's a faster option available. Look for the Select All option and click it. This automatically selects every audio file currently listed in your history. Using Select All is helpful if you want to completely clear your history instead of deleting recordings individually. Once all of the files are selected, you won't need to go through the list one at a time. Whether you've selected a few recordings or used the Select All option, the next step is the same. Locate the Delete button and click it. After clicking Delete, ElevenLabs will remove all of the selected audio files from your history. If you only selected a few recordings, only those files will be deleted. If you selected everything, your entire history will be cleared. Once the deletion is complete, your History section will immediately reflect the changes, making it easier to keep your account organized and free of recordings you no longer need. You can return to the Manage History section anytime you want to remove more files in the future. Simply repeat the same process by selecting individual recordings or using Select All before clicking Delete. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more ElevenLabs tutorials and helpful guides.